I don't have bait. I'm gonna catch small spot and small croaker. First bait fish. I need 10 of them to start. I came back toward the inlet and I finally started catching many baitfish. Click on the link on the top right corner for additional details of my Cobia fishing tackle. Oh, this was a very rare. This is second baitfish today for like 4 hours. I'm gonna catch 5 of them. I'm gonna start to fish for Cobia. I got 2 bobbers out. Let's see what happens. I have about 2 hours. Bobber disappeared for 8 seconds. Something, this is not a bluefish. Whatever it is, it's exciting. Oh, bobber pop up. I see it. Oh, it's a Cobia. Oh, it's a Cobia. Oh, I'm gonna get tangled with. Yeah, go that way. It's a Cobia, small Cobia. Worst case, I gotta let go the anchor line. Boy, this Cobia didn't run at all. I have a super big net. You don't want to mess with the Cobia, so I'm going to put it in. Oh well. There you go. It's going. my net is too big. I picked the large side in Back River because I can try speck and puppy drum. I love Dandy Point, man. Well, I'm going to fish for flounder or sheep's head until June 15th. Good luck.